Fasting has become quite the go-to method of keeping young, fit, and healthy. Fasting could improve weight management, restored blood cell regeneration through to better heart function and vascular well-being. For more than 1,400 years ago, Muslims were commanded to fast during Ramadan time. The ancient Greeks recommended fasting to heal the body. And now, some scientists experts are advocating a modified fast for its mental and physical benefits known as intermittent fasting. Fasting. Isn't that starvation? Not exactly. Fasting is about intention and control in the voluntary abstaining from eating and drinking for spiritual, health, or other reasons. This happens under the conscious control of the brain. For someone who looking at how to lose weight naturally, experts have found that fasting during the day could help prevent health problems. Besides improving mental health and well-being. What are the benefits of fasting? Detoxifying. When the human body abstaining from food and drink, we give the digestive system a rest. Our body will be able to concentrate on removing toxins, improving the function of organs, whilst promoting a cleansed digestive system. Fasting allows the gut to cleanse and strengthen its lining. Appetite suppressant. Fasting could solve problems for someone who always feels the need for eat all the time. Fasting will structure your day around everything apart from eating, drinking, and eventually gets accustomed to not feeling hungry all the time. Many Muslims, when they break the fast during the holy month of Ramadan, will experience that they are not able to consume as much as they desired to. This is because the less you put into your stomach over a length of time, the more it will shrinks, leading you to feel full and satisfied after just a small amount of food. Also, our body will produce more thyroid hormone, thus boosting your metabolism. Metabolism. As mentioned before, our metabolism just increases. Because fasting will prompt the liver's enzyme to break down cholesterol and fats and turn it into bile acid, then converts to heat, ultimately stimulating faster metabolism. Weight loss. Fasting is the wonder in the world of how to lose weight naturally, particularly fat loss in quicker results. When the human body is in the state of a starvation process, the body will convert fat into a usable form of energy. Having excess fat burned and lose weight means we are improving our immunity. Immune system. Fasting promotes healing in the human body, as it applies core focus to its immune system and metabolism as opposed to focusing on digestion. The immune system is largely comprised of white blood cells, and fasting could stimulate the production of new white cells, which results in a healthier and more robust immune system. Improved cardiovascular function. Since fasting can lower cholesterol, improved muscle, and reduction in blood pressure, thus it will bring a much healthier heart. Mental health. Fasting also goes a significantly long way towards balancing the mind and reducing mental stress. Fasting is also known to strengthen the mind, sharpen focus, and provide mental clarity. This is primarily due to a reduction in calorie, sugar, and salt intake. Blood sugar. Fasting or time-restricted eating may help regulate blood glucose levels more stable and reduce insulin levels. Fasting could push your blood glucose higher because of the effect of pushing glucose from liver storage into the blood, that's mean lowering fat liver. Reducing the fatty liver will prevent liver inflammation, which can damage your liver and create scarring. Healthier brain and cognitive function. Like physical exercise, fasting also stimulates the production of a protein in nerve cells. Going without food during the day increases the brain's natural growth factors, which in turn supports the survival and growth of neurons. Eventually, improve cognition. When the body and mind in their good states, the human body is filled with more endorphins. More endorphins will give you a feeling of well-being and great mental health. When fasting done properly, it will improve one's health and overall metabolism. That's it for now. If you like this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you want a comment, you can leave them below. And if you click subscribe button and a little bell next to it, you'll know every time we post something new here. Thank you for watching.